In this video, I'll show you how to draw and interpret a graph. You're given a function and you're asked to construct the graph of function. First, you need to complete the table. So let's calculate the y value for the table. So when x equals to -1, y will be equals to, substitute the x inside the equation. So the x is -1, and you'll get y plus 9 minus 5. You will get 9. So the y is 9. Second, when x equals to 2, y will be equals to 5x squared minus 9x minus 5. So everything with x we substitute with 2. And let's calculate 2 times 2. 2 squared is 4. 5 times 4, 20 minus 18 minus 5 will be equals to -3 when x equals to 3. So this is -3 and x equals to 3, y equals to 5x squared minus 9x minus 5, and everything with x substitute with 3. 45 minus 27 minus 5 equals to 13. So you have 13 here. So I have filled the table. To draw a graph, we need to draw the axis first. So for x-axis, this is 2 cm to 1 unit, and y-axis is 2 cm to 5 units. Okay, we need to estimate the space for the x and the y values. X is from -2 to 3, and y value, the maximum number is 33, and the minimum number is -9. So we need a lot of space for the positive number of y. So there is some space from y values. This is the x-axis, 0. So 2 units to 5 2 cm to 5 units, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is the y-axis, -5, -10, and the x-axis is 2 cm to 1 unit, 1, 2. So there's not enough space, we need to just erase this. So 3x, -1, -2. So we need to plot all the points. First point is -2, 33. So -2 and 33. 33, where's 33? So we can see that this 2 cm is 5 units. So 2 cm we have a 10 small square. 10 small square represent 5 units. Each square will represent, so 10 square represent 5 units. So 1 square will be divided by 10, so that is 0.5 unit. 0.5 unit, -2, 33. So then 30. 2 small square will be 1 unit. 31, 32, 33 is here. negative 1, 9, 0, negative 5, and 1, negative 9, negative 9 is here, 2, negative 3, and 3, 13, 13 is here. So let's draw a smooth curve to connect all the points. Sometimes you may need to try a few times to draw the smooth curve. From the graph, determine the value of x when y is 0. So when y is 0, meaning that is on the x-axis. So when y is 0, what is x? So x is here, and this point. So when y is 0, x equals to, this is negative 0.4 and 2.2.